So you want to meditate, but you don't know how to get started. You don't know what to do. If just there was a simple meditation that is straight to the core, simple to do, that you can do everywhere where you go in your daily life without having to do all of that meditational sitting and all of that stuff. Well, what a coincidence. That's exactly what this video is about. My name is Jonathan, welcome to Be Happy, and I'm here presenting you with the half a step back meditation. This meditation technique is very simple. You can do it anywhere, everywhere in your daily life. You don't need anything for it. There are 3 steps. Step 1, become aware of your inner world. Become aware of your feelings. Become aware of your inner. If it's a certain feeling, become aware of that feeling. If it's something, then become aware of that something. If it's an anxiety, become aware of the anxiety. Step 2, take half a step back. And I'm not speaking figuratively, I'm speaking metaphorically. Of your inner world, take half a step back inwardly. And step number 3, allow. Allow everything that is to be exactly what it is. And allow everything to flow exactly how it is to flow. Don't change anything. Don't want something different. Don't have any thoughts or opinion about what is in your inner world. Just allow it and let it be. Let it flow, that it has a natural rhythm. And it may not be what you want, and that's okay. We're just putting what we want aside here, and we're just allowing. If you want to and you feel comfortable in it, close your eyes. If you're out in public, then many times it's not comfortable to sit with closed eyes. It gets attention, and we don't want that. We just want this to be quality time with ourselves. This is something we're doing for ourselves, with ourselves, right? Now this here is actually the essence of meditation. It's a very simple technique, and yet it still carries the essence of meditation. Many years ago, Buddha came with a certain meditation technique that's called Vipassana. Vipassana means as it is, which means we're not changing anything. We're just allowing everything to be exactly as it is. That is the essence of meditation, and that is the essence of this half a step back meditation. Hola and welcome inside. I thought it would be good for us to do this meditation together, for you to really get a sense of what it is. Now I'm just sitting on a chair, but you can do it wherever you are. If you're out and about, you can do it while walking, you could do it in a pizzeria, in a train, you can do it wherever you are. We don't need anything for this. If you feel comfortable, then close your eyes. It makes it easier to become aware of that inner world. But if we are out in public, having closed eyes also gathers attention. And we don't want attention. We just want this to be quality time with ourselves. All right, so you're ready? Let's get started. Start with a deep breath, no? Step number 1, become aware of your inner world. Gather your attention inwards and become aware of what is going on inside of you. All of our suffering lies within. Just become aware. If it's a certain feeling, become aware of that certain feeling. If it's an anxiety, become aware of that anxiety. If it's tension or pain, become aware of that tension and pain. Just become aware of the life inside of you. Step number 2, take half a step back. Now, do you see that there is a certain distance between you and that? Certain distance between you and that. And the certain distance is like a window. You're on one side of the window, and that is on the other side of the window. This makes that, especially with overwhelming feelings, that we are not drowning in them. We are still close enough to be able to feel everything. We are not taking distance. We're still close, but we are not drowning in it. Step number 3, allow. Allow. Just allow everything that is to be exactly what it is. Just allow your feelings. Just allow your thoughts. You don't need to have any special opinions or thoughts about your feelings or about your thoughts for that sake. Just allow everything to be exactly what it is, without any opinions about it whatsoever. And you see, it's like the sky and the clouds. The sky is never touched by the clouds. The sky is always blue. And you see, this is you. You are never touched by the emotions. The emotions come and go. One time we are happy, another time we're sad, another time we're angry. Emotions come and go, just like clouds on the clear blue sky. Just allow everything to be exactly what it is. Feel, feel, feel is the way of heal. I always say, allow and return to the Tao. It's a reminder, a mantra that I say to myself when I'm out and about, when I get triggered. I'm always like, Jonathan, allow and return to the Tao, which means allow and return to center. Allow and return to center. Allow everything to be exactly what it is. And yeah, that's it. That's the half a step back meditation technique. Now you know it. Now you know exactly how to do it. In the description, you will find a link of an audible. It's a 5 minutes guided half a step back meditation. Download it so you have it on your phone. So whenever you're out and about or you need it now, you can always just plug in and then you have it right there. Now back to the cold ocean. Why are we taking half a step back? It's a good question. The reason for this is that it's so easy to drown in our emotions. If you have had an anxiety, you know how it is. You're drowning in an anxiety. But it's also when we are angry, when we are sad, when we are frustrated, so easy to drown in our emotions. And when we are drowning in our emotions, it's not healthy for us. And we are not able to let it go. We are in a constant state of reactivity. We're in a constant state of need for air when we're drowning in our emotions, for the emotions not to be there, so we can come up and get some air. That's why we're taking half a step back. Because when we have taken half a step back, we're not drowning anymore. And we're not taking distance. This is not distance. This is not saying, I don't want to feel this. I want this to go away, so I'm taking an arm's length. I'm taking a step back. No, that's not what this is. This is that we are taking half a step back, so we are not drowning, so we are okay, so we are safe. And then we can allow and feel all of the emotions exactly how it is, exactly how they are. And this way, we are getting healthy through our emotions. In this way, we're actually being proactive. We are responding to our emotions. We are saying no to reactivity. And we're taking responsibility for being there with ourselves in our time of difficulty. It's very important. It's very important. This is the foundation of being your own best friend too. What is a best friend? A best friend is one who is there for us, whatever we're going through in life. This is that. This is you being there for you, whatever you're going through in life. And it can be the most dense of an anxiety. All right, the most dense of an anxiety. Here we go. Step 1, awareness of the inner. Dense anxiety, I don't know what to do with this. Stay calm. Step 2, we take half a step back. And then we're just allowing the anxiety. We're just witnessing it. We're just being with it. We're just like, oh, here's an anxiety. And there comes a lot of thoughts, all of the thoughts. It's all right. All of the thoughts too, half a step back. So we're taking half a step back for everything that is in our mind, emotions and thoughts. And we're just allowing it. Step number 3, we're just allowing it to be exactly what it is. We're just allowing it. This half a step back technique is how I got completely rid of my anxiety. But I have to tell you, it ain't pretty.